We're gonna do the Donner Tunnel trail. So we start over here. That's a parking, portable restrooms there. Oh, that's awesome. There's trail boys over here. So here's the trail. Beautiful mountains all around here. So that's a viewpoint over there, guys. If you don't want to do that trail, you can just walk to the viewpoint and then watch right there on the top. But we are a trooper, so we don't go only to viewpoints. We go to the actual trail. We still have a spring over here, guys. Check it out, these beautiful flowers. It's pretty nice. So we're gonna enter to the jungle again. Let's see what we find out here. So we are doing the Donner's tunnels. So this is pretty much historical tunnels here in Donner, but so beautiful. A lot of graffiti. Check it out here. This is huge. Nice. So we're gonna enter to the biggest tunnel here. Check it out. A lot of graffiti. Here we get Trail Boys inside Donner Tunnel. It's a tunnel in Donner. So Trail Boys enjoying here. Yeah, this is pretty much, we are under the mountain. That's super cool, eh?
Yeah.
Here is the Donner Tunnel. Look at that, look at the mountain. This is how they made this tunnel, through the mountain. I was doing a little research, and this tunnel was made in 1800s. So, kind of many years ago. But it's still working. So probably in winter this thing is running water. All this water is going to the Donner Lake. Oh man, they have a lot of work here. So which number is this? I lost already the count. So what's up guys? We are here in the tunnel 6, I believe so. I'm not sure, yeah, if this is the number 6, but yeah.
Yeah, it's a view.
Yeah, because for the view, I believe so, yeah. Look at this view. You can see the entire Donner Lake here. Look at that, that's amazing. This pretty much in winter is all full of snow, so you can't really do much. So let me explore it over there and we'll see you guys in a bit. You wanna come, babe? Check it out, guys. We just come out from the tunnel. Oh, it's super sunny up here. So we are enjoying it here on the Donner Tunnel Trail. It was just an amazing day. So we did pretty much the entire tunnel sections. It was pretty nice. We're gonna end up doing over 6 miles, I believe so. Because back and forth. Yeah, it's almost 3 miles one way and back. It's gonna be another 3 miles. So look at that. So look, I want to show you guys where you're gonna get in right now. So the view we have here, I mean, we cannot see the Donner Lake. Shots we do is on the other side of this tunnel. You can see the entire Donner Lake. But now we are getting into the tunnel again, so we are going back already. So this is it. Look, the mountain, the big mountain we're gonna cross there. That's awesome. Getting to the big mountain right there, so we're gonna cross the entire mountain right now, which is pretty cool. Okay guys, so here's the bird. So here is, guys, so we're gonna say goodbye with this amazing trail. I'm gonna try to edit and make it really nice for you guys. So far this is the view. This is Donner Tunnel Trail. So we're gonna go into this longest tunnel one we have here. I believe this is the longest one, but it's pretty dark up there. So it's getting late and we're gonna keep enjoying the rest of the trail, but for you guys it's gonna be goodbye. So we'll see you in the next adventure. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Trail mode. Donner Tunnel Trail, guys. Amazing. Come and explore it. So we can see in the end of the tunnel the light, guys. So we gotta always hope to find out the light in the under the tunnel. This is the tunnel, guys, for the donut tunnel trailhead. We just get out. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, it's right there. You see those bats?
Hey!
It's bats there. You see flying. Look at that, look at that. Watch out. Oh, that's a bat.
Let's keep going. Keep walking.
They almost get your ears, Jeremy. Very good, guys. This is it. Donut Tunnel Trail, guys. If you guys want to come over and enjoy it, here it is. Look at that. There's a big parking lot here. And here, guys.